Hey guys, Tim and Sierra here in San Diego. I wanted to share a little bit of information with you on these doors. A lot of the 944s, especially the earlier ones who have had more time to age, get this crack in the door skin on the outside, this little telltale crack right here. And it's not widely known where that comes from. It just kind of starts, you know. And so I wanted to show you where that's coming from. It's actually a welded bracket here that's failed inside of the window channel. Okay, so this is the felt that goes for the window channel. This piece right here is actually welded onto the door, kind of in this position like this inside the door skin. One weld goes on the outside, and it's just a single spot weld on the outside skin, and then the other weld is on the inside of the door. On this inner part of the skin right here, you can see this piece right here, this little glob of metal actually was right there. They go together. So after years of being on the road and opening and closing the door, the weight of the glass has just worried these single spot welds, and they snapped off. And then, you know, once this one fails, it starts worrying the outside skin, and you get that crack on the outside of the door. So if you've got it, you can repair it, and this is the cause of it right here. This little guy is going to be nailed. The channel is going to be nailed to that, and these are going to be nailed to the inner and outer skin, and the failure of that is what causes that crack on the outside. Okay, so take care of your cars. See ya.